So this is how you can use MyTradingBuddy for prop firm challenges. So what I've got is NASDAQ open, and I've got an account I just started, lost a little 80 on a quick trade. But I'll show you exactly how to do it. All you gotta do is take screenshots and send it to the AI. I'll do the chart analysis right here. And so what's currently going on is that NASDAQ should be hunting the buy side liquidity, but it looks like that it's failing unless this 140 level holds. If it pins right here, then it could be a good sign because we were getting 145, 165, 165, 185, 85 didn't hold, 62, there wasn't a kickback at 60. So now I'm running a new one of this AI analysis. There was a 40 right here, so let's see if this holds. This 5 minute has to pretty much not break below right here. Otherwise, we could try 116 again. But it should be hunting this 250 level. It looks like it failed at 140 right now. So let's see how it holds basically at the VWAP, which is the 100, 115. Still holding 140. So it could hold right here. I'll see what AI says. Okay, we had 100, 141. And I'm doing auto capture, so I have sharing my screen and it's capturing image every time one finishes. It starts another one. 100, 140. Okay, we got a kick up right here. 5 minute almost pin. Okay, we can try to do it.
Order filled.
I'll say this level right here will hold. So might be a bad trade. I mean, it could crash right now. We do have 100. Yeah, it's probably not going to fail. Okay. Three minutes left until the next 5 minute. Still holding this 140 for the moment. But that was a big red candle. It's New York session, so you never know. We could pin right here and go after the buy side. Otherwise, this has failed. So it's looking like it was, but it might not be, so I'll put my stop loss right there. But we had 140 here, and previous ones I was running, it was 165, 140, 185, but we want to go after the buy side liquidity. Kicked up pretty good on this 5 minute right here, top right hand corner. 15 minutes still holding like that. So let's see if it can break. Yeah, first this level, and I'll kind of be safe, and I'll just I'll exit out some.
Order filled.
And then let's go for the buy side on just 5, which would give me the pass. And we'll say that this was the bottom. So yeah, how do I use it? I do auto capture a lot, and so I'm constantly sending in screenshots. We have a 140, 165. So that was it, and it looks like we're about to go there right now, actually. So it should sweep this. Oh, that was really close. That would suck, but 246 was so close. 3 points. I don't know if it drops like that now I have to kind of worry because it wasn't able to get right past that. So I'm taking a Topstep and 50K, and you have to get pretty much 50% today and 50% tomorrow for 3,000 total, so 1,500, and this is going to reverse. That doesn't look good. Okay. I mean, it might not, but I just got 500, so we could do one more attempt up. We'll see. That was pretty aggressive up and down. Still 5 minute. The next 5 minute might get it, but we'll see if it gets above 200. But yeah, AI still wants 246, which technically it was right there. But now you don't know if it's going to go past it or if it failed. I'll run some more. So chart analysis is the default one. I use this as the go-to. And then there's some smart money concepts one, trend structure, etc. So it doesn't look too good, but let's see if we can get past 200. If we can close above 200 on a 5 minute, then it should do the next 5 minute, should get it. Because it barely kind of got it. That liquidity is probably up here in 60. Five minutes pretty close, but it's still not getting above 200. It's New York, so things go crazy. Still, yeah, we're still long, so should be in good position. Really, it's just waiting. I put it a little too high, pretty much. 244 here. But on TradingView, it says it hit 246, or just very close. So it should in the next 15 minutes, in theory, get this buy side liquidity before it really changes its mind. So I'm running auto capture and it's still going. We'll get another one soon. 88, it's pretty high. Okay, here we go. It's about to get it. So it still hasn't closed this above it, but this 200 level is pretty important. And probably in the next 5 minutes it should close. $240. Yeah. So we'll see if it makes it. If it does break this buy side, it can go after 300. Really 312. And so we'll see if it's either just a sweep and then a come back down, or what happens. Still hasn't, it's still 1 minute away from the next 5 minute candle. It should get it in theory, otherwise it could rotate back down to the other AI idea, which is back down in this area. But it's pretty strong. So it closed above 200, which was good. but you never know. New 15-minute. Could be something crazy. Yeah, so 165, 185, which we saw as right here, it did kick up and it wanted to go 46. Almost got it. Sometimes it goes a little above. If this breaks here, then we're kind of screwed. But it could still stay right here and kick up. All AI analysis says is going up. So it's really just a matter if there's a big pullback before it goes up or it just keeps going. Looks like it's failing. If it gets it back above 200, then it's good. If not, yeah, I might have to re-enter in. So this is where the previous analysis comes into play. We had a 100 to 141. So we had a 100, 141. Now you can ask the AI, so if it fails, where? It's getting pretty close to 200, depending right here. So yeah, 165, 185, 125. Okay, past 200, that's a good sign. It could rotate back here if this fails, or all the way back down to 100. But it looks like it's about to get it, probably in the next 10 minutes, maybe. One of these could shoot up. But I'm trying to get 1500 exactly, so I've got 500 when I just closed that 10 because I didn't know if I got a good entry or not. And then now I'm just trying to get that 1000. It should get it in theory. Yeah, so you have to really use it as an assistant and really see, what's going on with your eyes. Like 220 is a big resistance point. If it can break that, okay, it's probably gonna get it now. It's very close to getting that buy side liquidity, which is right there at 250. And if it holds strong above that, we do have the TP2, which is going back up to 375. But we'll see. It's been crazy today. It's already gone up a lot, so we'll see if it gets it. So close now. Probably so close. It should at least poke above 10 points. Above 46 in theory. Otherwise we have a double top. Okay, this one or the next 1 minute candle probably will do it. It looks like at least. Holding pretty good above 20. And it's probably be a quick wick up. Or it fails. All right. This one and the next one should poke. If it gets above 240. So yeah, you can ask it questions or anything with the AI in the chat like I did. You know, if this fails, it could rotate back down one to this 85, 65 one more time. If we don't see buying there, then we have this 140 level, and then if not, we have institutions down here 100. But it looks like it's about to get it like any second now. As long as it gets past that, and then bam, it should. Oh, that was so close. No, that would suck if it stops. It shouldn't. It should at least go 10 points, but you never know. Wow, just 1 point off. And should.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's really how you're going to use MyTradingBuddy for prop firm challenges. Once again, if you saw it, I run this auto capture constantly, and I'm trying to see, you know, what I see with my eyes and what is going on. And pretty much, you know, I always check Fibonacci and stuff, etc. And I ask within the chat, you know, where would it go, where would it want to go, and etc. And you can ask any questions you want to the AI. You can always visualize, you know, what's going on right here. So we have buy side at 377 still, so it could take off for today. It can go up another 120 points. Now you would have to see strong buying pretty much around here still to really, unless it rotates back down. But you have order blocks, bearish, bullish, support, resistance. 46 was the previous resistance, so it should, in theory, bounce here if it keeps going to that TP2. You don't know though. And 375 could be the goal. We're getting a lot of 350, 375, 375, 350, 360. So yeah, that's how you'll use MyTradingBuddy. you're using it to really enhance your ability as a trader, and you can easily make this money depending on how much risk you want to do. I do 15 contracts. It's a little risky, but that's usually my style. So yeah, MyTradingBuddy.ai is where you can sign up. The first day is free, and you get unlimited image analysis within your subscription per month. So thank you.